What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. It is day 3 in Arkansas. Day 1 wasn't a good hunt. We got skunked, but we had to get out there and try to make something happen. Day 2, we had a pretty good day. We got 3 mallards. Unfortunately, we couldn't film because of where we were at. It's not legal. You have to have a permit. We don't have that. But we had a good hunt. It was nice to go hunting without the camera and just enjoy a hunt. But we're still here in Arkansas with Jake and Glenn from Chasing Green. We're hoping for a good hunt this morning. The weather is not exactly great for duck hunting. It's in the mid-60s, early to low to mid-60s right now. It's cloudy. We got some rain moving in today and tonight. It's gonna rain pretty much most of the day tomorrow too as well. So we're hoping maybe we can scratch out some birds here this morning before the weather gets too bad. So y'all stay tuned. Maybe we can put some birds on the strap. Sorry, I didn't have time to alert you.
Okay.
I just looked up and seen him.
Hey, is that greenhead dead?
He dove?
You better shoot him.
He dove on it.
Hey, is that not him swimming right there?
Where?
There's one belly up right there.
Yeah,
The other one's crippled.
I killed one and
The other one's swimming through the trees.
he's swimming through the trees over there, Cade. You better get after him. Right through there. What is it? Ringneck? He's chasing him down. He saw him, finally saw him. He didn't see him at first.
We hadn't seen any ducks hardly on mountain anything, especially for the time of year. It's just tough on us. I happened to look up. There was 3 mallards just balled up coming in here, and we turned around and Alan and Cade got a greenhead, possibly 2 greenheads, maybe the greenhead and the hen.
Well, we're on the board so far. I got a mallard drake. Glenn got a ringneck. Cade crippled a mallard up, went after him, chasing him down, wasn't able to retrieve him. So we'll make an effort here in a little while. Maybe we can pick him up before we get out of here, but you know how that goes. Cripple get away from him, you may not get him back. But we'll make an effort to see if we can find him here after a while. Hopefully we'll get some more birds in here shortly. that's today's hunt, guys. We got one mallard drake and Glenn got a ringneck. We didn't see much more. Some weather systems moving in today. It's supposed to start raining here in the next couple of hours, so we're hoping that maybe tomorrow we can get on some more birds. And it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. Not really sure what the plan is for tomorrow, but Friday's looking pretty good, so we're hoping maybe we can get on a good hunt Friday. And we'll see what happens then. What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. And it is day 4 in Arkansas, and we have been on the Arkansas struggle bus since we got here. First day we didn't fire a shot. Tuesday we hunted some land that you're not allowed to film on. We were able to get 3 mallard drakes, but unfortunately we couldn't film on that, so we didn't, wasn't able to record that hunt. Yesterday we actually came to this spot where we are right now, and I killed a mallard drake, and Glenn from Chasing Green, he killed a ringneck drake. And so the weather is terrible. It's been raining all night last night, all day today. It's actually about 12 o'clock, it's midday. So me and Cade come out here and we're going to try to do a midday hunt. Jake and Glenn are at home. They got some things they had to do and take care of because Aiden, or Golden Boy from Freelance Duck Hunting, Cherry Creek Outdoors, I'm sure you heard of him. He's coming in this evening about 4 o'clock, so they had to get some things in order to meet up with him, and we're gonna meet back with them this evening after we get done hunting. So me and Kate are out here on a little father-son hunt here in Arkansas. Jake was kind enough to share the pen with us to come back out here to this hole. So we're hoping for the best. It's still trying to spit rain a little bit. We haven't seen any birds yet, but we're hoping maybe they're gonna stir around some midday, later in the evening, hopefully. So we're gonna try to scratch out some birds here, so y'all stay with us. There's a single out front. He's coming around, Cade. Come around your side, be still. He's coming in, he's coming in. We got one. We're on the board so far. We've been set up about 10 minutes. Had a group of mallards come in, worked around, one single pulled off. We was able to get him in the decoys and got one down so far. Cade's gone out there to pick him up. So things are looking up so far. Maybe we can get some more here shortly. One mallard drake. Looking good so far. Maybe we can get some more. Well, we hadn't seen any more birds. We've been out here now for about 2.5, 3 hours. Haven't seen nothing since that one group we had fly over, and we was able to peel one single off of it and fortunately kill it and put it on the strap. But it's been pretty dead. Wind's picked up. We've got great wind. It's cold, but unfortunately nothing's flying around, nothing's stirring. We got some more rain moving in here in just a little while. So me and Kate are fixing to pick the decoys up and try to get out of here before it starts. Looking at it on the radar, it's got a lot of yellow and red in it. It's gonna be some heavy rain, so we wanna beat that out of here. But we're gonna get everything packed up and head back into town. We're gonna go meet back up with Jake from Chasing Green, and we got Aiden, or the Golden Boy, as some of y'all know him from Cherry Creek Outdoors and Freelance Duck Hunting. He's coming in. He's going to be here about 4 o'clock this evening. So we're fixing to go back, get everything picked up, go back into town, meet up with them, and socialize, get to know each other, and hang out. So hopefully next time you see us, we'll be hanging out with Jake and the Golden Boy. So till next time, y'all bust them up.